Guys, you're all welcome to live training. Today's trade is not only going to be based on XAUUSD, so we're going to basically be looking at every other pair that we can actually get into and see what we can have out of it. So right there, I'm going to go ahead and share you my screen. I'm pretty sure right now you could see my screen properly, both my YouTube and both my TikTok. Okay, so I'm gonna be sharing the two, live together to make sure that I have proper, concentration. So right now I'm gonna go ahead. All right, so I'm gonna paste it directly on my Telegram channel. Okay, okay, we can get back to game now. One sec. I want to be sure everything is right before we start making our analysis. I love to make good analysis, but nevertheless, I'm still going to consider, looking at other pair if you want me to. Okay. So right now, we're going to go ahead and look at XAUSD. Yesterday, we have a trade. We actually lost that trade. Yeah. The beautiful thing about my trade is I'm always, open. I'm very truthful compared to other, traders that will just come online and okay. So you're gonna be seeing reality, okay? Because when they take you back, prove and evidence to show you that I make profitable trades, okay? Okay, now let me take you back a little bit. Okay, check this trade right here. This was a trade posted on my Telegram channel. This was also a trade posted on my Telegram channel. All those were beautiful trade. This was also a beautiful trade. You can see we have consistent winning. The same way this was a beautiful trade, and the same way this was also a beautiful trade. Okay, so definitely sometimes in trading you could lose. Okay, that should be back of your mind that you could lose at any time. Okay, so right now I want us to analyze the gold market together. I love to day trade. Okay, so my trade are basically day trade, okay? But whenever I see opportunity for to take some kind of swing trade or in trade, I do take them as well. But I love to base my expertise on day trade. Now, if you want a day trade, you don't actually need a lot of data. Okay, you don't need data from weeks or from months. You just need data from the subsequent and the past days. Okay, so that will help you to have a proper view of whatever thing you want to do. So we're gonna go ahead right now and go to 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, this is where I make the whole magic. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take off all of this drawing that I have right here, so you can understand exactly how I took those drawings. And whenever you want to make your analysis, you can also follow the same method to make your analysis. All right. So this is 4 hours is to see how market rejected subsequently to the close candle of today. Okay. Now this candle is right here are very close to this day frequent rejection, right? So basically that's what I want to see. A rejection frequently from both the upside and from the downside. So right here, when you watch carefully, you can just come to use a rectangle tool. So right here you can tell, okay, so you want to make sure you have a perfect matching out. Okay, you could just have something like this, all right? You could have something like this. This is 4 hours candle, and we have less than 13 minutes to get this candle closed. So we can consider that level to be key level from the upside. Okay. Now check it out from the downside. So you could also draw that out like this, make it a bit like this, and you know, you could also make this to come this way, just like this. So now you have your key levels for day trade, okay? Just for few hours trade, the trade you want to take for today, you have your key levels for the day,